What's up, guys? Today I wanted to take a look at this little GoPro grip from K&F Concepts. I think you can use it for phones and other things as well, but we use it with the GoPro 13. My wife and I are full-time content creators. We're living out of our van currently, and this thing is an absolute must. It gives you just a little extra length in front of the camera so you can really frame yourself. We do a lot of snowboarding and travel content and post on YouTube and things like that. And this is an absolute necessity. It's super small. It can fit in your pocket. You can easily store it in a backpack or any kind of travel scenario. It works really, really well. It also comes with this awesome little tripod. We use this a lot to set up interview style shots and time lapses. It works incredibly well, like really stable, has some rubber feet on the bottom of here so it doesn't move around. We'll throw it on top of our van and just let it roll for a little bit. It is fantastic. Probably one of the best upgrades we've made for filming with our GoPro. And yeah, I would just highly recommend this product. It works really, really well if you're doing a lot of content creation. As always, you can find an affiliate link in the description below if you want to check this product out yourself.